You want to switch to vegan skincare, but do you know which ingredients actually work? Some products claim to be clean and natural, but do they have the right plant-based ingredients that are going to give you the results that you truly want? In today's video, I'm going to give you the top 5 plant-based ingredients that are going to give you the results you want without any hidden animal byproducts. Welcome back to the Skin Diva Labs channel, where we help women over 40 get radiant, vibrant, gorgeous skin without the toxins. My name is Nancy Reagan, and today we will be diving into the best vegan plant-based ingredients that will keep your skin glowing. And now let's just get started. First on our list is aloe vera, which is from the plant and actually the ultimate skin soother. Even from way back when, we knew to break off an aloe plant, because I've always lived in super warm weather, and you could use it for sunburns, you could use it for anything that itched. It's a phenomenal plant-based ingredient. One thing that you know is aloe is not just for sunburns. It also is really, really good for hydration and, as you know, for healing. One thing you may not know is aloe is super rich in vitamins and antioxidants. While soothing the skin, it also really supports healing. One thing about aloe vera gel is you really want to look for one that is 100% aloe vera gel. You can find it that it's infused in serums. You can also find it that it's included in many different formulas. If you see it in a spray, it most likely has toxins combined with the aloe. So you're looking for it in its purest form if you're not using the plant. Number 2 on the list is hyaluronic acid, which you want plant-based, of course. Hyaluronic is a wonderful, deep hydration, plant-based ingredient. The beauty of hyaluronic acid is it can hold 1,000 times its weight in water in the skin. And you have to look because not all forms are actually vegan or plant-based. Plant-based hyaluronic are actually fermented. And when you find that plant-based, you will see that it has intense hydration. And because hyaluronic is such an amazing ingredient, you want to use it as one of your base products, especially in a toner, especially in a serum. And when you do, it will give you plump, hydrated, gorgeous skin. One little side note on hyaluronic acid, as it's called, it's not truly an acid. If you're thinking of it, it holds our cells up. So it's almost like a cushion of liquid that holds the cells and plumps. Want to unlock the secrets to youthful, amazing, glowing skin without harmful toxins? My ebook, Discover the 5 Secrets of Beautiful Skin Over 40 Without Toxins, gives you everything that you need in order to figure out exactly what you should have in your skincare routine. Click on the link in the description below and grab your ebook and start your journey for gorgeous, beautiful, radiant skin without the toxins. Our third ingredient I could never pronounce, but it's Bakuchial. And Bakuchial is a vegan retinol alternative. Retinol, for those of you who don't know, is a vitamin A. It's an acid form of vitamin A that's topically used worldwide. And Bakuchial is actually a plant-based alternative. Could be your new best friend. Unlike traditional retinol, Bakuchial is very, very wonderful at helping your cells rapidly turn over, just like retinol. But the big advantage is you don't get the redness and you don't get the irritation that you get when you're using retinol. One thing that retinol or Bakuchial will do is it helps the collagen and the elastin to rebuild. When you're doing that, it helps with fine lines, it helps improve your wrinkles, and it also helps with texture and elasticity. When you're using a Bakuchial serum or a retinol serum at night, Bakuchial, because it's plant-based, it really helps to get your anti-aging benefits because it doesn't do it with the redness. One thing you'll want to also do is this is the step that you're going to do before you apply a serum. So it's always going to be your exfoliant, and maybe you don't do it every night. Maybe you skip it and it's every other night. You just want to make sure you're not thinning your skin too much, because the thicker your skin, the better your skin is going to be as far as aging. Number 4 is Squaline, which is, there's a plant-based Squaline and there is also a shark liver Squaline. So you want to make sure you're getting the plant-based version. It is a wonderful, again, oily moisturizer that is very, very lightweight, but it's also super powerful because of the molecule absorbing deep into the skin. Plant-based Squaline comes from either olive oil. There's a couple of different places it can come, but olive oil or sugar cane. The way it moisturizes is it will actually help to plump the skin because it's pushing that moisture deep into the skin, and it also will help strengthen the skin barrier because it is providing the lipids that the skin needs in order to look healthy. As part of your skincare routine, you're going to want to look for 100% plant-based Squaline. For oils, you may find it in serums. Those are your 2 best choices for having hydrated, non-greasy, but nice feeling skin. Number 5 on the list is vitamin C or L-ascorbic acid. If you're looking for glowing skin and fewer wrinkles, vitamin C is definitely one of those powerhouse ingredients to have in your toolbox. Vegan vitamin C comes from citrus. It also comes from a plant called a kabuko, and it boosts your collagen. It helps with fine lines and wrinkles. And one of the really nice parts is it really, really is wonderful for brightening and lightening the skin. Make sure that the vitamin C that you're using is stabilized and it doesn't oxidize. So I see a lot of people buy vitamin C, and the minute they open it up and they don't have like an airless pump, or there's no way to not let the oxygen get to the vitamin C, once the vitamin C goes from orange to brown, it's almost like it's game over because the price of whatever you paid, it's not as valuable as actually what's, in the jar. You want to make sure that you're buying it in an airless pump and that it is of great quality. Now you know the top 5 vegan skincare ingredients that actually work. There's a few more, but those are definitely top 5 on the list. Start incorporating them into your skincare routine for a glowing, youthful, vibrant look to your skin. Looking for skincare that's truly vegan and super effective? That means with results. Skin Diva Labs specializes in plant-based formulations that are non-toxic and really give you amazing results. Click on the link below and you can see our amazing, carefully curated products. Now you know the best vegan skincare ingredients for your skin, and the next step is to find out which ingredients are toxic that you need to avoid. In my next video, I'll reveal my 5 toxic skincare ingredients that you really need to avoid. Click on the link in the video on the screen right now, and I will see you there.